Hi my Luminites, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ivy, or Intuitive IVM, here on YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, hello, my name is Ivy. This channel is all about spiritual, magical, mystical, and supernatural things. So if that's something that you are interested in, feel free to hit that subscribe button and become another member of our beautiful growing Illuminite family. So today we are going to be talking all about the chakras, the 7 major chakras in our body. What are chakras? So the whole concept of the chakras started back in the ancient times, back from 1500 to 500 BC, in the most ancient text of all of Hinduism called the Vedas. And the Vedas had the chakras in them, and basically the way that the chakras work is that each of the chakras correspond with specific organs, and they also really affect you on a physical, emotional, psychological, and spiritual level. So inside each of the chakras is prana. So if you guys have heard the word prana, if you guys watch Ralph Smart, who has like his own YouTube channel, he's just like this big YouTuber, and he calls everybody deep divers. Ralph Smart is always talking about breathing in that good prana. Prana is basically pure healing energy, and there is prana in everything. It's all around us, it is within us, it surrounds us, it's everywhere. Prana is everywhere. It's what keeps us healthy and happy. So the literal meaning for the word chakra in Sanskrit, it means disc, or it means wheel. And that is exactly what the chakras are. They are spinning discs or spinning wheels of energy, of prana, of pure healing energy. And each one has different colors, and again corresponds to different organs and different things in the body. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started with learning about each of the chakras and what each of them do, how to tell if it's blocked, how to tell if it's open, and how to open if it is not open. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Okay, so the first chakra that we are going to talk about is the root chakra. The root chakra is located at the very base of your spine and is red in color, and the Sanskrit name for it is Muladhara. The root chakra corresponds with survival, safety, and security, basically. So it's down to the survival skills, basically, and your survival living situation. So it has to do with basic needs, it has to do with physical identity, grounding, and it's basically the foundation for our lives. This is what anchors us to the ground so that we don't fly away with our manifestation and our thoughts and our dreams. And while it's good to have those manifestations and think about all those thoughts and about those dreams, it's really good to have something that grounds us down and basically rationalizes our otherwise wonky mind if it wasn't grounded. When your root chakra is balanced, you're gonna feel stable, you're gonna feel sturdy, you're gonna feel supported, you're gonna feel basically grounded. You're gonna be able to rationalize things a lot better and not have too much fear into little things. But when your root chakra is unbalanced, like every other of the chakras can cause emotional, psychological issues as well as physical issues. Some physical issues that are associated with the root chakra are arthritis, constipation, colon problems, and bladder problems. Other issues that are associated with an unbalanced root chakra would be feeling insecure about your finances, or feeling insecure about your well-being, having a lot of anxiety, having a lot of illusions, and a lot of cynicism would all be things associated with an unbalanced root chakra. So if you feel like you have an unbalanced root chakra, some things that you can try: engaging in grounding activities such as connecting with nature, go outside, take a walk with nature, sit by a tree. That's definitely a good way, is sitting by a tree, because a tree has its roots in the ground. That is definitely a good way of tuning in with your root chakra. Gardening, cooking, hiking, And one of my personal favorite ways would be yoga and meditation. With these meditations specifically would be a grounding meditation. I will link below some grounding meditations that I personally have tried. Oh gosh, I can't talk today, and Mercury's not in retrograde anymore. We're feeling those after effects. So while meditation works for all chakras, like I said, specifically for the root chakra, you're going to want to do a grounding meditation. One way that you can do this is by closing your eyes and basically picture a red disc at the base of your spine rotating clockwise, and as it begins to spin, just picture roots going down to the ground and connecting you deep down, going all the way down to like the earth's core, and your roots are going to stretch from your root chakra down to the earth's core. So that's a very good way to start grounding yourself and working on that root chakra and creating that basically solid foundation for your root chakra to just activate. The second chakra after that is your sacral chakra. So the sacral chakra is located about 3 inches below your belly button. This is the chakra that is associated with creativity. It is associated with sensuality. It is associated with pleasure and with beauty. So it's also considered the realm of emotions. It's also like where our sexual desires run wild and where our creativity runs wild. It is a orange color, and the Sanskrit name for it is, I'm going to attempt to say this, but this is really hard, Vadhisthana, which literally means your own place. So when your sacral chakra is balanced, you're gonna feel very passionate, you're gonna feel very creative, maybe get into a lot of creative activities and a lot of creative hobbies and feel very passionate about what you're doing. And you're also gonna be feeling very successful as well as happy. When your sacral chakra is unbalanced, some physical issues that you may have would be urinary tract infections, lower back pain, physical sexual dysfunction, or physical sexual overdrive. So other issues that may arise from the sacral chakra being unbalanced would be fear of change, depression, overindulgence in sexual activities, or lack of desire and satisfaction, codependency, and just an overall sensation of feeling numb. Some activities that you can do to balance out your sacral chakra: honoring your body and expressing yourself creatively are good ways of opening up your sacral chakra, as well as keeping it balanced, improving and mastering our sexuality. That is another way of keeping that chakra balanced out. So the next one is the solar plexus chakra. So your solar plexus chakra is located at the upper part of your belly where your diaphragm is. This chakra, this is the yellow one. The Sanskrit name for it would be Manipura, which means city of jewels. So your solar plexus chakra is the way that you express your will, you express your power. It's your mental abilities and it is your commitment. It's also where your self-esteem and your confidence lie. When your solar plexus chakra is balanced, you're gonna have harmonious relationships with other people just because you're confident in every situation that you go into and talking to everyone. You're gonna be very assertive. You'll exert your will in a way that leads to results that you expect, but still kind of effortlessly. When your solar plexus chakra is unbalanced, some physical issues that could arrive are tummy aches or stomach ingestion problems, digestion problems, gas, heartburn, ulcers, all that goes under that. Other issues, you can suffer from low self-esteem, you can have difficulty making decisions, and you may also suffer from anger issues. You can also suffer from procrastination or be manipulative. Ways that you can balance out your solar plexus chakra: you could do some yoga positions. Like everything else, there are yoga positions and meditations that you can try. The yoga position specifically for the solar plexus chakra is the boat pose, the twists, like any sort of twist that you do, and warrior 3 pose. Also, doing some shadow work and healing from the past is another great way to improve your solar plexus. Although, of course, shadow work is going to require some time because you're digging deep into your past and healing past wounds. Repeating affirmations daily to yourself is another great way to improve your solar plexus. Saying affirmations, there's another, again on YouTube, there's some that you can do. I'll try to link some below. The next chakra is the heart chakra. That is the fourth chakra that we're talking about. So your heart chakra is located in your chest, and it is a green, soft green color. The Sanskrit name for the heart chakra is Anahata, which means unhurt or unstruck. Your heart chakra is going to deal with all matters involving love. Obviously, it's also about compassion as well. The heart chakra is what's going to basically be the bridge between your earth chakras and then your more spiritual chakras. So when your heart chakra is balanced, you're gonna feel a lot of love and compassion for others. You're gonna be able to give and receive effortlessly. You give out this honestly just overall beautiful vibration of love. They say that the highest frequency is love. So of course, if your heart chakra is open and balanced, you're gonna be giving out that love frequency. So of course, naturally people are gonna be drawn to you. When it is unbalanced, some physical issues that could arise would be heart problems, asthma, weight issues, and other upper respiratory illnesses. Other issues that may arise would be feeling very defensive and sometimes just feeling closed down, jealousy, fear of intimacy. Also, when you rely on other people's approval and attention, you hold grudges, and you have a hard time forgiving others, and you may also have a great fear of betrayal. Those are all signs of unbalanced heart chakras. So if your heart chakra is unbalanced, ways that you can balance it out would be trying out breathing exercises. Also, learn to appreciate the beauty of things, whether it be nature, whether it be people, whether it be art. Just appreciate beauty in the world and beauty in everything else that we see in this life. So practice self-care, learn to have compassion for others, and engage in activities that feed your heart. So when you're of service to others, of course, that's a good way of engaging in heart matters. And learn to express gratitude. So whether you have like a gratitude journal or you're just openly expressing gratitude to others, truly giving that gratitude is another good way of helping out balance the heart chakra. So the fifth chakra is the throat chakra, and that is located in the center of your neck where your throat is, and it's a turquoise or like light aquamarine color. The Sanskrit name for the throat chakra is Vishuddha, which means pure or purification. So the throat chakra obviously is going to be associated with communication, whether it's verbal or whether it's non-verbal expression. It's tied into the throat chakra. In particular, obviously being able to express your truth. It's also about creating and projecting ideas and blueprints into reality and realizing your vocation, your purpose, and basically just your all-around truth. When your throat chakra is balanced, you're going to be able to speak and you're going to be able to listen compassionately and confidently, and you'll be able to speak confidently and be true to yourself when you're using your words. But you're able to fully listen as well as express yourself. So when your throat chakra is unbalanced, some physical issues that may arise would be getting a sore throat, thyroid issues, neck and shoulder stiffness, and tension headaches. Other issues that may arise when your throat chakra is unbalanced would be you may have trouble speaking your mind, dominating conversations, so when other people are talking, you're just kind of talking over them, gossiping, speaking without thinking, and not being able to listen to others are all signs that your throat chakra needs a bit of a tune-up. How to balance your throat chakra: making a conscious effort to drink more water throughout the day. Not only does water keep you hydrated because it's that good old H2O, it also does really good at cleansing the throat chakra and basically giving it more healthier, healing energy. Eating more fruit and also like nuts and stuff, talking openly with close friends, making it a point to be honest with the way that you feel. So learning how to express yourself, whether it's journaling and writing down your thoughts or whether it's like singing them out, would be a good way to balance out your throat chakra as well. The next chakra is the third eye chakra. It is located in the forehead between your eyebrows here, which is why it's sometimes called the eyebrow chakra, and it is often a indigo or like bluish purplish color. and the Sanskrit name for it is ajna, which means to command or perceive. So your third eye chakra is your ability to recognize your intuition, goes beyond more physical issues and into like the subtle, more like woo-woo energies. But awakening your third eye allows you to be more intuitive. It's where our psychic abilities lie, especially if you have any like clairvoyance abilities. That's all going to be tied to your third eye. It's your access to mystical states. When your third eye chakra is balanced, you're going to be able to be very in tune with your intuitive side. You're going to be able to rationalize logical thinking with like intuition, and be able to use both your intuition and logical thinking to make very balanced, good decisions for your life. When your third eye chakra is unbalanced, some physical issues that could arise would be headaches, issues with concentration, hearing problems, dizziness, and nightmares. Other issues that may arise with a unbalanced third eye chakra would be having trouble accessing information, or accessing your intuition, I should say, not being able to trust your inner voice, and you won't be able to learn new skills. So how to balance out your third eye chakra? You can eat healing foods like nuts and seeds, and like I said previously, meditation is great. A great meditation for the third eye specifically would be closing your eyes, clear your thoughts, and focus on the spot between your brows. So this is going to help stimulate the chakra. You can also again picture like a blue sphere, a blue disc moving clockwise, and also of course getting enough sleep is also really good for the third eye chakra. The last and final chakra is the crown chakra. So the crown chakra is located at the very tip top of your head, and the Sanskrit name for it is Sahasrara, which can be translated into 1,000 petals, and the color is purple, which is why I chose to dye my hair purple. And it can also be pure white or just a clear color. The crown chakra is our awareness to higher consciousness. It is wisdom, and it is where everything that's sacred is located. It's the chakra that connects us with with the divine and with our higher self. The crown chakra is associated with the transcendence of our limitations. When your crown chakra is balanced, you're gonna feel basically bliss and enlightenment. A lot of people actually don't have their crown chakra open. It's like a big thing when your crown chakra is open, and you're basically in a constant state of blissful union. It doesn't mean that like 24/7 you're always blissful. You might have moments, but you're overall just very in a blissful and peaceful state, and you're just basically in spiritual ecstasy. When your crown chakra is unbalanced, some physical issues that arise with your crown chakra being unbalanced. I mean, it could honestly be anything, because the crown chakra is aligned to every other organ in your body, but it's also linked to your brain and your nervous system. Some other issues that are associated with a blocked crown chakra might be to be narrow-minded, skeptical, stubborn, may create feelings of isolation, or you might just feel like your normal self. Things that you can do to open up your crown chakra. The most powerful way to open up your crown chakra would be through meditation. Like I said, meditation helps with all of the chakras, but meditation is very good, especially for your crown chakra. This is because of the ties between the crown chakra and spirituality. So every sort of meditation practice is going to be beneficial for the crown chakra. For meditation focused on your crown chakra, envision like a white light pouring into the top of your head, filling your body and connecting you with the world around you. So if you only have a few moments to meditate, try imagining like a violet lotus flower over your crown chakra for like a really simple meditation. There are stones that do help open up the crown chakra, and that would be stones like selenite, clear quartz, amethyst, and diamond. So that is it, you guys. If you have any questions or if you want me to further dive into the subject of chakras, I will gladly do so. Like I mentioned below, I will list some meditations and things you can try to open up each and every of your chakras. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked this video, all my videos are pretty similar to this. They all have to do with spiritual, magical, mystical, supernatural things. So if you're into that, hit that subscribe button and become another member of our growing Luminite family. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.